In this video, I'll show you how to quickly copy your Instagram profile link. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any errors. And let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon to navigate to your profile page. Next, look for the Share Profile button. Here you can find a QR code that links to your page, which you can share even when you are offline. Just below that you will see the option to copy link. Tap on it, and the link to your Instagram profile will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link in the messaging app to share it with your friends or anyone else. Alternatively, you can open a Notes app and paste the link there to save it. The link will appear like this, but you can simplify it by removing everything from the question mark onward. Now let's go ahead and delete that part, including the question mark. And that's it. You have successfully obtained the link to your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.